Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can do multi-turn interaction using foundation model in native iOS application. So let's get started. So first I'll explain the code later on, but I have one button, okay, and if you see over here, I'll just let me maximize this. Okay, so here you can see as soon as our view is loaded, I am immediately asking our foundation model what is 2 plus 2. Now it is taking a bit of time to respond, like there is no UI as such. I am not displaying it inside a UI label. Also I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. There is nothing much really related to UI kit over here. So yeah, let's just wait. I think my PC is getting slowed down a bit. I don't know why it is not showing me the results. So here you can see it is finally have shown 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so I call this as soon as our view is loaded. Right now, once the button is clicked, I'm just saying add 4 more to it, so it should remember whatever was my previous answer, right? So so the previous answer was 4, and if I add 4 more to it, the answer should be 8, right? So if I click on click me, this particular button, okay, there is something wrong with this simulator. So here you can see 4 plus 4 equals 8. If I click on again, okay, sometimes this simulator, okay, so it takes a bit of time. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Now just to give you a heads up, foundation model only works if you have upgraded to macOS Tahoe on the iOS simulator. So you require Xcode 26, macOS 26, then only you can run it on simulator. If you are still on macOS Sequoia, then you absolutely need Xcode 26, but you will have to run it on your real device, provided your real device supports Apple Intelligence. Otherwise you won't be able to run it on your real device. So my real device does not support it. That's why I had to upgrade to macOS Tahoe. Anyway, so hopefully you got the point. So it's pretty simple, the code. So first you just need to import foundation model. Then here we initialize our language model session as well as system language model dot default. Then here we initialize our button as well. Then inside view did load, I'm just checking for the model availability. If it is available, then I initially ask it what is 2 plus 2 and print out the response. In case Apple Intelligence is not available, then I say so. If case model are not ready, then I say so as well. And in default use case also I say a model not ready. Then we add our button to our view. Actually I should have done this, I guess, first before I did all of this, but I guess it's fine. Typically you should add your UI related code first and then do any kind of business logic, because that's how things should work. Then on button click we just add a click listener as well, and here we just show some NS layout constraints. And here you can see on button click again I'm doing the same thing, but here I'm just checking if session is responding or not. This is very important. In case if there is some other operation going on with the help of foundation model, you don't want to confuse it with multiple commands, as that is not a right practice and it might throw an error as well. That's why you have to use this. If not session is responding, then only add 4 more to it, and whatever response we get, we just print it to the console. If you want to see the entire session transcript, you can use this particular bit of code as well. I have commented it out, so I'll leave that up to you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.